Hey y'all, thank you so very much for tuning back into my video. This is Jazz again. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. If you are already subscribed, thank you so very much. Honey, you are so appreciated. Also hit the like button, share, comment, let me know what you think. This night is just any regular night, working graveyard, working on my business boutique. I did have a mukbang experience, my first one. I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it's not boring for you. I do have a lot of information in there, so please check it out. Leave any suggestions in the comment box below, and yeah, have a good one. Mukbang. Maybe I should do another shot. I don't know, I see people do that. Anyways, I think I want to talk about how I started my business while working full time. So pretty much, when it's slow, not even when it's busy, in between time, of course that doesn't require 100% attention, which is kind of rare because I'm not like a licensed health provider or anything like that. So I don't have to like cross my T's and dot my I's. Usually I don't eat this heavy at night. But I'm hungry. I'm so much more happier now. I was seriously contemplating just walking away and just leaving. This job is so stressful. Yeah, that's not. It's enough bad energy. This is a treat. I haven't eaten since like 3. It's afternoon. And I think now it's like 12. I work graveyard. If that's not known, you're just tuning in, or maybe you skipped this part. So good. It's like, this is so good, I'm forgetting where I'm at right now. I just want to go home. Oh my gosh. I keep on like making sounds like, what is going on?
I'm just like, do I always do that or what? But it's like doing this, you're more conscious of the way that you eat. I don't want nobody going crazy in the comments. Okay. So how I started my business was like 2 years ago. I took a trip down to LA Fashion District, and I wanted to learn like the ins and out of making clothes, because initially what I wanted to do was actually make the clothes myself. I wanted like a clothing brand, but I still don't know anything about it. But I thought that the first step was to go to the fashion district, and I quickly learned that I needed to do a bit more research. And so then I kind of got overwhelmed with the process, because I was finishing my undergraduate degree and I was working full time, more hours than I'm working now. And I'm also a mom. At the time, my daughter was 5. So all of those things combined, plus adding on running a business, it just wasn't the move. So I kind of let it fade in the background, and then I was like talking myself out of it for years, but the thought just never went away. And 2019 rolls around, of course, September, a few months ago, and I just went for it. I just started researching how to legally start a business, what type of business structure my business needed, or what I wanted to do, whether it was going to be a sole proprietorship or an LLC, and I chose an LLC. And I applied, Secretary of State, got approved, got my seller's permit, all the stuff, made the website, watched a ton of different videos, read a ton of different articles, searched hashtags, and I would say I would say that I applied for everything like September 15th. LLC, seller's permit, all that good stuff. Applied for that on the 15th. And so I gave myself until November 10th to launch. I wanted to do it November 1st, but I ended up doing it November 4th. But I had all of that time to like build my website, get my inventory, and all that stuff. Do I feel like that was a good enough time? I feel like you live and you learn. I definitely know way more now than I did then. I made a landing page and I put that out about 3 weeks before I officially launched. I think I got like 33 visits or something like that. It was like a pretty low number of people that like checked it out. So I feel like I could have marketed it better, but at the time I was thinking like, whoa, 33 is a lot. But it's really not, because it's more like personal people that I know that, you know, just kind of like being nosy, like, oh, what she got going on? Because I didn't get any bulk of emails that I wanted, which you always hear about the email list, which I'm still growing, but I have way more than what I started with. But yeah, I just kept on posting like coming soon pages and stuff like that, because like in my mind, I wasn't there yet, but now I'm there. Like, you don't know what you don't know until you need to know it, or until you know it. Like, if that makes sense. You don't know what you don't know until you know it. And I just realized that I definitely could have had market my business better in the beginning, putting the word out and all that stuff. But I'm here now, and I'm doing that now, and I'm still new. I launched officially November 4th. It is January 4th now, so 2 months. And for the first 3 weeks of my business, honey, let me tell you, my checkout process was all messed up. So pretty much all of that data that I received, like when I first launched, surprisingly, I've always had traffic. I've never had an issue getting traffic to my website. But in the first 3 weeks, I didn't get any sales. And then I looked on my website. I'm like, okay, why do I get all this traffic? Why do I get all of these inquiries and sizing questions and everything, but no one purchases? So I started like searching some more YouTube videos, and I watched this one guy, I don't know his name, but he's like a drop shipper or whatever. So I still watched it, even though I'm not a drop shipping business. He was like, go through the checkout process, because if you're getting traffic, that's half the battle. Most businesses supposedly suffer with getting traffic just to their site. So my business was getting traffic to the site, but I just wasn't getting any purchases. So it's like something was impeding them from going to step B from A. So something was stopping them from going from A to B. So then I went through the process, and it literally was an issue. First of all, I was not able to pick out a variation, size, or quantity, because how my Shopify site was constructed, I kind of was playing around with some of the colors, and one of the colors was like I made like the text white and the background was white as well. So it's pretty much invisible because it's white on white. You can't see it. So they weren't able to pick, and so I'm like, oh man, they probably like was just like, oh, she got cute stuff, but you know, it kind of comes off kind of like scammy, especially because they couldn't pick. And so, you know, I just lost a lot of data because of that. But that first week that I corrected that problem, that is when I got my first orders, and that was like the week of like Black Friday. I was so excited, and since then it's been really positive, just fixing those issues. It's only been 2 months, and so one thing I am learning is that even in business, patience is so important, and having a lot of patience is important. And so I'm just, you know, continuing doing what I'm doing, building trust and building relationships.